We're out here in Tyler, Texas at Turkey Drag 2009, and we're having the pleasure of shooting Ike Ray's 94 Chevy Dually. Dually rides on 24-inch Alcoa wheels. Full system was provided by Kicker Audio. All the bodywork was done by Ike Ray himself, and the paint scheme was done by Classic Steel Industries. You'll see that the paint scheme is actually done a little bit similar to a C10, which we shot recently, but he actually inverted the colors, which adds a little bit different touch to it. The bed's been raised, smooth, sheet metaled, and lined. Ike Ray wants to thank his friends, Classic Steel Industries, and Kicker Audio for the interior.
I'm using all they compact discs as ninja stars. Fuck being the man, I'm the centaur. I stay far at the bottom of the graveyard, within a forest of rigor mortis to keep your day hard. Wheelbarrow ciphers and collect bones. Singe the woofers like Charmander on the microphone. I'm siphon filter using ink from grenade pins. Leave your brain stem with a slash like the snake pit smoking. You ain't a player cause you out of tokens. New bridge, old trolls with gold scrolls and polvo. As the strings attached get shorter, watch me make them all burn like Chris Porter. I obliterate, decapitate warheads for crisis. Rip your heart out like paint cop palace sacrifices. I need the asteroid belt so my conniption fits. You don't understand, you lay in the clouds of critic shit. Beauty like cylinder, jacuzzi and species. I leave you hanging like Benito Mussolini. I have antlers like an antelope. I'm like Antietam, my anthrax. I tell an anecdote for the antidote, moon thinker. My lexicon put you asleep like saunas. Slaughter with more than 5 ways like stigmata. I slice backpackers' throats with chisel tip markers, and I like whack rappers' throats like.
We are in East Austin, Texas, 5-1 Deuce. We got the Mexicans over there, drag racing down First Street. We're here with Starlight, Amanda Brull. She takes after Brianna Banks. Here with John Jackson and the whole crew, doing it big. Like I said, 5-1, up 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2.
Back, whatever you could farther away.
My mission statement, my city kiss for chicks and business patrons. My pretty Kansas City spacious, witty, gritty tape print. My shifty, nifty metaphysic, faceless killing matrix. Nickel-plated liberator, kids with Satan chillin' patient. Sophisticated and so beautifully constructed, so unusually I'll feel the stuff y'all usually come up with. It's so usual from such a sloppy mind. The difference is that I could copy your style, but you couldn't copy mine. Slipknot and soul clap to murder for the props. I could write a better song than you and serve you off the top. Cut my mouth around your girl's ear and suck her brain through it. Then puke it out and wash my clothes with the same fluid. Inhumane and radiated beats got me running down the alleyway from alien police. The taming of the beast to make you save the grin. I take a swim with robotic barracudas moving razor fins like that.